Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to unlock iPhone 12 Pro, which is on the latest ISO 18, and I'm going to unlock this iPhone locked it owner. First of all, you need to buy the unlocking file from us. If you're interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me on this number or you can visit the email address in description link. Okay, so this is iPhone locked it owner. First of all, you need to buy the unlocking file from us. After buying the unlocking file, just you need a laptop or PC or MacBook and connect your phone to your PC or laptop, and just you need to flash your phone with our unlocking file, and voila, your iPhone will be unlocked. It very easy method. You can unlock this phone in 5 minutes. So let's start. First of all, you need to buy the unlocking file. After buying the unlocking file, you need to download 3U tool. 3U tool is a free tool for flashing your phone. So you have to select the unlocking file which you have already purchased from us, and you need to click on retain data and click on flash. So you can see our flashing is started, and our unlocking will take like 5 to 10 minutes depending on your phone. So you need to buy the unlocking file from us. You need to WhatsApp me on this number and I will provide you the unlocking file. Unlocking file is not free. You need to pay us in Bitcoin or USDT. Also, if you like and subscribe, I will give you 10% extra discount on our unlocking file. If you don't have WhatsApp number, you can email us. Email is in the description link. You can find our email address in description and you can email us on us. So our flashing is started. It will take a little bit time to complete the unlocking. This method is working with all iPhone models and all iPad models. If you have iPhone 16 Pro Max, it will also work with iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you want to buy the unlocking file for iPhone 15 Pro Max or iPhone 16 Pro Max, you can also WhatsApp me on this number and I will provide you the unlocking files. This method is working also working with iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you are from USA, you can pay us in Cash App. You can send Bitcoin with Cash App to our BTC address. If you are from any other country like European countries, then you have to pay us in Bitcoin with any crypto wallet like Binance or Trust Wallet or Coinbase or many other wallet. If you don't have crypto wallet, then you can pay us in Skrill or Perfect Money. You can see our flashing is completed, and now it will take a little bit time and we will finish our unlocking. Now you can unplug your cable from your iPhone. Don't worry, your iPhone will be unlocked. Just you need to follow this steps to complete the unlocking. Select your language, select any country. You can see it's on the latest ISO 18, and set up without another device. Customize setting, continue. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. Don't worry, your iPhone will be 100% unlocked and your old iCloud will be gone. You will see data and privacy option, and you can activate your phone. Data and privacy, it's mean our iPhone is unlocked and now we can activate our phone. You need to follow this step. Set up for myself, set up later. You need to follow this step to complete the unlocking. Set up later, agree, continue, not now, location and services. Our service is permanent and a lot of people are buying. You can update or reset, you can enter the SIM card, everything will work fine. Welcome to iPhone. Our iPhone is unlocked it on the latest iOS 18. This is iPhone 12 Pro, which is on the latest iOS 18, and it's 100% unlocked it. You can update or reset, no issue. You can use SIM card, everything will work fine. You can make calls, use internet, everything will work fine, perfectly fine. This is a permanent solution for unlocking your iPhone. You can see this is on the latest iOS 18, new settings. Everything is changed. You can enter the new iCloud account here if you want. Everything is working fine. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. You can WhatsApp me or you can email us to get the unlocking file from us. If you're interested in our service, like and subscribe to get 10% extra discount. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. We will see you in our new video. This is iPhone 12 Pro and it's 100% unlocked, permanent unlocking. Thank you so much.